been molested? Where are the men? Did you show their faces? I challenge you that for every man, 5 men that have raped you, bring their faces out. Let we Nigerians also see them. They are also rapists. They also don't deserve to be in the midst of people. Let's shake them out of the society.
Hello, good and wonderful people. Welcome back again. It's your girl AB World Entertainment. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Depends on the time you guys are watching me from. How is everyone doing? I hope you all are doing great. Today, we want to quickly talk about what today happened about Iyabo Ojo and Baba Ijesha. The matter of Baba Ijesha is going one small pikin wey dem dey call teenager. So now the matter we wan constantly talk about. So now know say the video don already come outside when they take catch Baba Ijesha red-handed, when they take see am when e dey touchy the small omo for body. So the video don already dey everywhere. I don still do video about the video, you understand, my people. So wetin come happen, una know this our Nollywood superstar wey dem dey call Iyabo Ojo. So she come outside come talk say anybody wey go bail Baba Ijesha, e go be between him and the person, because say he don first experience the matter before. He don first know how this gwangwan of a thing be. He say because she na victim of that this gwangwan, they don first vandalize her. Na 5 times na they vandalize her. So you understand. So na be the matter wey dey ground. So since then, Baba Ijesha, that is anybody wey just come outside come talk about Baba Ijesha, wey e go talk say make dem release am, make the whole world pardon am. Aunty Iyabo dey always the best put for the matter, because of say she still get pikin, she na still mother, you understand. So wetin come dey happen, my country people? One of their colleagues don come outside come attack am for this matter wey im dey talk. So say why im go just talk say make dem no just release Baba Ijesha, wetin Baba Ijesha do to am. So my people, the matter come strong now. Na come be colleague versus colleague, you understand. So the fight now come be general public. We don't know who go win this something, because the this Nollywood actress wey they call Iyabo Ojo don vex say because of wetin they do to am, he no go fit forgive Baba Ijesha, you understand. So she no go talk say na because of their colleague pikin na that is because say na their colleague na get the pikin. So she go come just say make dem just forgive am like that. So they wan use Baba Ijesha to do example to other men wey dey vandalize children. So now this other actor wey dem dey call Joseph come vex come outside come say ahaba, wetin dey do aunty Iyabo Ojo, why Iyabo Ojo no relax for this kind matter. Say that is, the man really talk a lot of things, you understand, because the whole thing come just dey confusing, because different fight everywhere, my people. Wetin this man dey talk now, say why Iyabo Ojo go talk say make dem no release Baba Ijesha. Say what about the people wey vandalize am 5 times? Why she not bring those people come outside? He said because those people they be bad person to the society, you understand. But you not feel prove your own, you can dey prove another person own. True my country people. Auntie Iyabo Ojo, abeg, where those 5 people wey vandalize you that time? I know say you will know them, you understand, because as this small pikin recognize Baba Ijesha after how many months, how many years, 7 years later. So you understand. So you just still let us know wetin see the sup about those 2 people. Abi dem be politicians, abi dem be farmer, abi dem join Boko Haram, or dem be bandits. We want just know the kind of people wey do gwangwa you that very moment. So according to wetin this this guy dey talk for here, you understand, he say nobody knows tomorrow. For real, he say no be say wetin Baba Ijesha do say he do am well. He say he no do am well because he go surely suffer for the sin wey he commit, but may dem bail am, or may he go maybe if na house arrest, you understand. So nobody wey no dey commit crime, you understand, nobody wey never sin against Papa God wey dey heaven, you understand. So na wetin this our brother come talk be this one. He say why Iyabo Ojo dey always dey go after people wey come just speak about Baba Ijesha, you understand. He say if you even look the CCTV camera, he say in the man never start to dey disgwangwan, na only touch body he touch, while other combatants come attack the guy, say this guy wanna dey still so make una dey carry una pikin dey run for am o. If fit come still dey disgwangwan am, because how you go talk say na only touch body, he never lick body, join everything. So my people, now I say make I just bring am come show una say see wetin dey happen. Say the fight don turn to big man fight now, you understand, because a lot of people dey talk say na because say Baba Ijesha no get wife, because him fair marry, him and him wife no dey again, he no get wife, he no too get money, na him make dem dey turn this case to other one. He say make Aunty Iyabo Ojo just tell us wetin dey under, wetin Baba Ijesha do to am. He say Aunty Iyabo wan tell us say na only she know commissioner this and commissioner that, because they say the present fiance of this Aunty Iyabo Ojo na him be the that is say him dey date one DPO, but the one wey she dey plan to marry na the one wey he be judge, you understand, high court of that is in the high court of justice, whether na high court of justice, I no know if I want to speak the English, my people. Na there the man they do the work, you understand. He says so now that one I make Iyabo Ojo they talk say Baba Ijesha will never be released. He says if they release him, he will rearrest Baba Ijesha. My people, true, the way the matter come they go, it be like say Aunty Iyabo Ojo get some kind BP for Baba Ijesha, you understand. Make una check the matter, make una balance am. I don't know, I just dey talk my own, make una not vex, because omo na rihanna according to Benin language, people no be waiting that they spoil for person, you understand. That 9 months, that sleepless night and everything, you understand. So make una just look this matter, whether waiting Iyabo Ojo, whether she overreact or na e no overreact, I don't know, because the way the son to take they do am for mind, you understand. And so now the way now she take they follow the matter, because she thought say if they release her, she go rearrest the man again. So my people, I will leave una for this junction, make una watch the full video. I will release the video for una, make una watch am for here, because the other video of that CCTV camera when I put for the YouTube white they bring am down, because the some I still cover am, but I don't know why they bring that very picture down, my people. So I just decided to just do this one for here. So my country people, they gonna help me check the matter, whether Aunty Iyabo Ojo dey overreact, you understand. I don't know. So make una leave comment for us for comment section. I go see una for another video where e no go too take, and I remain una humble sister AB World Entertainment. I beg, if today happens to be the first time of coming across this video, or you feel they watch, you never subscribe, I beg me use opportunity, me you take subscribe and also on your notification bell, so that anytime I upload, you'll be the first to be notified that I just upload a new video. By doing so, God bless you. To my new subscriber, you are welcome to this wonderful platform, and to my returning subscriber, may God Almighty bless you all for me in the mighty name of Jesus. I remain your humble sister AB World Entertainment. Bye everyone, and see you all in my next video. Please leave a comment for me in the comment section if Aunty Iyabo Ojo is overreacting in this matter, or she just playing a motherly role, or it's because of they have this Gwango had 5 times many years ago that made her to react like this. So just leave comments for me in the comment section. I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone. Cheers.
My name is Father Joe, and I want to use this medium to respond to Iyabo Ojo. Most importantly, I didn't want to talk anymore because I already made a video about Baba Ijesha, and I don't want to go back to it. But I realized that everybody that talk about Baba Ijesha, Iyabo Ojo comes after them. Iyabo Ojo has now become an internet bully, that anybody that said anything, you come after them, as if people have no right to also hear their opinion. Only your opinion is what everybody must take. Anybody who say anything different from your opinion, you are coming after them. Madam, waiting. Kilo day, you're not God. If you are God, then all of us will not have mercy. From the beginning of this matter, everybody is condemning Baba Ijesha. Nobody ever said what this man did was wrong. Even when you guys call him a rapist, and he never raped, it was just a molestation. Nobody supports molestation. Nobody supports rape. We are all say no to rape. Say no to molestation. I want to ask you, Iyabo Ojo, why do you think Baba Ijesha does not qualify to be bailed? Because he's a danger to society. What about the 5 people that raped you 5 times? You have been raped 5 times, oh. The people that raped 5 times, they are still in Nigeria. They are also danger to society. You never brought them out, oh. We never saw their faces, but also know that these are the people who have raped you one way or the other at one point in time. Let's make it equal justice. The man has a right to be bailed. He has a right to get a lawyer and defend himself. Let him be proven guilty at the court of law, not the way you are proving him guilty every day on social media. Take it easy because you have a platform, because you know who is who. Let's take it easy. We can wake up, we can sleep today and not wake up tomorrow. Only God knows tomorrow. Everybody that talked about Baba Ijesha, from Yomi Fabi to Bukky Black to this to that, everybody, you are going after them as if you are the only one who knows the law, who knows everything. Nobody is supporting this man, no. But what we are simply saying that let the law take its course. Everybody, every crime in Nigeria, even people that are accused in Nigeria, they still use the law to deal with them. Oh. What makes Baba Ijesha so different? That you just want him to die, you want to kill him. If you are God, a lot of human beings will have been dead, though. Madam, take it easy. You are not the only human being on earth. You are not the only one who is paid. You think anybody, I have a child, I have a 16-year-old daughter. I wouldn't want anybody to touch my daughter. But that does not mean that the man does not deserve a second chance, does not deserve to be heard, does not deserve to hire a lawyer and face the judge and face the music. That you think you are saying in your last video, oh, why is Bukky Black saying that you should be bailed? Even if Nigerian law says you should be bailed, why should he be bailed? Why should Nigerian law be bent for Baba Ijesha? Why the law that was made, that was being used for everybody who has been stealing and killing in Nigeria is being used for them? But when it's called Baba Ijesha, the law should not be. Why? Madam, why? Why? Let's take life easy. Baba Ijesha has messed up, has done what is wrong, but he has also the right for every law in Nigeria. Let's give him a second chance. Even when nobody is saying he should be released. But what he did is not what it's going to be. It's not going to be killed for it. It's only going to be sent to jail and come back and let his lesson. And for every other man in Nigeria to sit up and stop raping or stop molesting anybody. How many times have you been molested? Where are the men? Did you show their faces? I challenge you that for every man, 5 men that have raped you, bring their faces out. Let we Nigerians also see them. They are also rapists. They also don't deserve to be in the midst of people. Let's shake them out of the society. Then I know you are serious. Then I know you mean what you mean business. We're not going to use only one man to pay for everybody's sin. The sin of people that rape you 5 times, bring their faces out too. Let us see them. Allow people to hear their opinion. Don't bully everybody on the internet. Let this man face the law the way he's supposed to face it. Not the way you are going about it. Going after everybody. You are not God and you will not be God. All of us are going to die one day. We all have skeleton in our cupboard. We are not all clean. Are you clean? You all have skeleton in another area. We're not clean. We all have skeleton in our combo. But as we have it, what do? We ask God to forgive us. We ask God to help us. He has messed up. But please, madam, let people hear their opinion and stop this bullying.